Good morning, guys. Good morning. It is Sunday, the next day after we moved in. Last night, I honestly couldn't do anything anymore because all I did was pack. So we were like moving as much as we could, and we went shopping. I think we just went to like 3-4 different shops, 5 with groceries. Then we went to eat out. We went to our apartment again, fetched more stuff. You guys saw when we were leaving, right? I said we were going to do the washing of the bedding there and then come back with it. Only did a wash, didn't do the drying because we needed to come back. But anyways, I want to show you guys what I've done so far. Let me guys know what you think. Feel free to tell me if you want me to move things around, if you have any suggestions, especially with color. I'm not good with deco. I asked this other guy that we work with, he's a phlebotomist. He showed me his bedroom one time and I was like, oh my word, your deco is amazing. And I was like, can you help me? Like, we just got a house and I have no deco bone in me. So yeah, so maybe this week, or I'll see if he's available tomorrow or something. He needs to come and see the space and help. But for now, I'm going to buy whatever I can and put it together. But so far, I love what I'm seeing, guys. Let me show you, because I'm talking a lot. I'm not showing you guys. So we're starting in, I left you guys being the camera. I left you guys, let me show you. This is you guys. You guys are here. I left you guys in the bathroom. I left you guys right here for the night because I had the camera. I asked people to bring the camera upstairs, but I was too tired, guys. Oh, and this t-shirt was a gift from Lerato. You guys saw the vlog of the weekend when she was here visiting us, and she got me this, and she got babe a cap. So yeah, but anyways, guys, let me show you. So this is our bathroom. You guys know these I came with yesterday because obviously we needed toiletries for, you know, last night showering. I got these flowers from Ross. And what do you guys think? Should I move them? So I thought of putting it here, right? Like the flowers here, but that's got like the shaving plug. And I'm like, also, sorry, light gone. And I'm like, also, babe's hand towels gonna be, so this is babe's side. I could also make it my side. I don't know. But anyways, I could put it there and have this here, but it's very bare now. So I think, I don't know, guys, give me a suggestion. Like I said, I'm not a deco person. So I wanted to put it like this way because all the white flowers are on the side, but there's like a chip here, guys. Ish, I didn't see the chip when I bought it, and I'm not about to be taking it back because yeah, anyways. Then this is going to go into our closet room because I'm going to get a dresser for the closet room. I'm thinking of getting a dresser for the closet room for getting dressed in there. So here I'll just shower. But you see, guys, I'm keeping our sink counter, basin counter very clean. I've packed most of my stuff in here. Well, these are the things I came with yesterday. So I've already packed them in here. I'll probably have like a makeup desk with a mirror somewhere. There's nothing here yet. There's panty liners, but there's nothing in these drawers yet. And this side will be babe's side. I'll put like a nice divider because I'm also thinking maybe these need to go. Actually, these can go to the laundry room because we got a laundry room. They don't need to stay here. So this will be babe's storage counter, or mine as well. We'll see. I'll probably keep most like my makeup stuff here and babe's stuff, toiletries, extra toiletries on this side. Babe liked this color. I was getting black mats, but he was like, he likes green. And I was like, oh, but the black will match because, you know, everything, the accent here, so everything is black. And I was like, no, babe, you can choose what you want because it's your place as well. You know, it's not just my place. And it turned out so well, guys. The green just pops. Just pops. It's lovely. Then I bought these a while back because once we decided, remember guys, when I was shopping and we decided that we're going with this place, we got this place. I knew it was black, so I got the black. These I got first haul, and I'm keeping them. I'm not getting rid of them. It's just a bin. I'm gonna put bags inside. Already has rubbish. And the towels, I really don't mind, but one for me, one for babe. What I'm thinking is I'll probably get like a towel rack that will sit here, and I'll put like one towel there because it's just too cluttered now. I like my towels to hang like one so that it properly dries, because like this I feel like it's not drying, like it holds in a lot of moisture, and that's when the smell comes in. Then we go into the shower. I already took a shower last night. I brought this with me from the apartment, and I got this black one. This is all my stuff. Like, babe stuff is just this, guys. He just uses this. But I've had this in Switzerland. But I've got that. That's where our shower gels will sit. And I've separated things nicely, I think. I hope. This is like for just spraying. That's for hair. So maybe this should go to the hair box. But yeah, there's space here. That's for face. This is for body. This is the shower. I want to change the shower head. I want a bigger shower head. But now I'm thinking this space is actually like the length from the wall to here, it's very tiny, short, so I'm not sure. But guys, this is our bathroom and I'm loving it. It is beautiful, honestly. Then let's move on to the bedroom. You guys remember the bed? I tried to iron, guys. I tried to iron, like I got this steamer thingy just to try it out because I didn't know if this actually irons or what. But it seems to work, but maybe on clothes, but it needs to be standing straight. It works, but the bed is coming together slowly but surely. I'm loving our space. I need to get like some color throw to like break that brown. And guys, what side table should we get? I'm gonna put a poll on Instagram. And then I'm also thinking of, this is where I think initially I thought we'll get a dresser here with drawers like the one we have now in the apartment and similar to what we had in Switzerland. And then we'll have like my side for underwear, socks, and babe's side for underwear, socks, just the way we did in thingy. And then in this corner, I want to have the standing mirror that opens up for jewelry and all of that. So now, because the space in the closet, so what I'm thinking is here will be like a dressing table where it's just a table and I'll have makeup, like I said, like makeup inside. I'll have a chair that goes in and like a mirror, you know, the ones with the mirrors with lights. And so that will have the mirror with lights, and this is going to be for makeup. So that's what I'm thinking. I'll do makeup in here, and then let's see what the closet looks like. It doesn't look very fancy, but so far I brought like most of my stuff that was hanging at home at the apartment. I've brought it in, so I've honored babe's wishes. We'll share our closet because he said he'd love to share our closet, so we'll share it. So the top part will be for babe, the bottom part is my stuff. See, I've divided it like pants on this section. I've got my gym wear there in the middle, and then we have like tops on this side, and we have like dresses there. So I'm thinking probably here we'll have, I'll see what we'll have, maybe coats, whatever extra stuff we have, maybe coats or babe's work clothes can go up there. This is where I want to put now the dresser that will have the, what is this? That will have our underwear and socks can go in here, and then on top I'll just have my lotion and stuff like I mentioned. But yeah, that's the closet. So let's carry on, guys. Go to the next space. Just want to show you guys what I've done so far. So we have the linen closet so far. I think I'll put like bedding up there. I already have like the flat sheet there. I'll have like more stuff, and then towels. That's more pillowcases, towels, whatever will fit in here. So now, guys, shoes. I don't want our shoes to stay. These are all the hangers. I think babe was right. I got like 300 hangers, but we'll see. So these are all the extra hangers we still have. We'll use them. So I have two ideas, right? I'm thinking we can keep our laundry baskets in here, because I want the ones that separate like whites, colors, and blacks. Just have them in here. And but then I'm thinking if the clothes smell, you know, like used clothes, and then there's like fresh, clean stuff, it's not gonna work. So I'm thinking then maybe, because this is the laundry room, so I can have them right in front, because it really doesn't matter. I can just have them right in front here, 3 different ones, and yeah. And then on top, this is where I say I'll keep all the like the cleaning stuff, the bathroom stuff, because you know, see, toilet paper. Then here I got I'll put, it's still in the other house, but I'll put all my soap in there. I've got a smaller one that came in here. I'm going to put these, but I already put like the soap for the dishwasher downstairs. I think I'll get a special one for the dishwasher. Then here, for now, I'm thinking getting a shoe rack. You know, the one that actually closes up. Then we put our shoes here. I think that's a good idea because this space is supposed to be, most places have like a desk, an office desk here, which can always turn into an office desk if we ever need to use the bedrooms. But for now, I'm thinking we put like a shoe rack here. These are like papers for now, and my underwear's in there. Then this bathroom also I've set up. Guys, I'm proud of myself. It looks nice. What, babe? Come on. Come talk to the people.
Yeah, I was thinking you.
And I've set up already. I was quite upset about the change, but it actually looks nice with the black and the brown. It breaks the black, which is nice. So now I need to get a mat like that for here and maybe for the toilet as well, but we'll see. But for now, I like it. You like it, babe?
Mm-hmm.
You want to be in the camera? 9? Okay. So now there's nothing in these rooms, so we can leave. Oh, my shoes are in this room. So for now, I'm just going to put my shoes in here. You see, shoes can stay. This is going to be our office, but these shoes are here. This will be the office, but we haven't decided how we're going to set it up. I'll decide later. Let's go downstairs. Oh, I put this here last night because I thought I'll put this in our bathroom, but I decided that we need like flowers here. So I'll put like a flower here with this. And babe, this morning was like, it smells good. I'm happy he likes it. So just for our home to smell nice. So I'm thinking down there, no, too much stuff. But on this wall here, like our pictures. 9? Okay. Pictures here, I don't know. I honestly don't know. So let's go downstairs. There's nothing downstairs that's done actually. But let's go downstairs, guys. Stairs, ne? Guys, don't get a house with stairs. Yo, my legs, my calves from the up and down that I've been doing. So now the half toilet that's downstairs, right? Let's check that out. It's also set up. I'm happy with it as well. So hand towel again. We need to get hand towels for our bathroom. And this now, I guess I'll be using here because remember I bought this one as a cream dispenser for the guest bathroom when we were having the other place. But I guess it works now for here. As a soap dispenser, I need to get soap. It goes with this bin, so I decided to put the bin here. So the black mats, I decided to use them here, which I'm mad about because I feel like the black is just not giving that. Anyways, that's fine. It's got a black toilet brush. Oh, the guest toilet as well has a black toilet brush upstairs. And our living room is looking like it did yesterday. Nothing special, nothing amazing. And babe thinks we're in Switzerland. So this, I'm not sure, but I like this. But it's not going to sit here. It's because it's for the coffee table that we will get. And you see, guys, I told you guys I'll use this. It's there now. See, it matches. The whole black goes with this. But I think this I'll remove and put in the cupboard. I'll see how it goes because we have that extra drying rack that will need to go up here. And I've replaced the wooden one. Babe said use the black one, but it's a spinny thingy one, which she's okay with. I thought I was going to put spices on here for the pantry, but babe said this is fine here, so it's fine. And kind of set up again. This still doesn't look bad, babe, right? The brown there doesn't look bad. Yeah, so I've put the plant that we got as a gift here, a chopping board, and that. Guys, give me ideas. Like I said, I'm not a designer. I do not have an eye for design. And the plates and glasses that we washed yesterday, cups, I've already put up, which I'm happy with. You like the order, baby, there? And here we'll just keep on being things that we use when we're cooking next to the stove. Here we have pans on this side, and then I've already put that there. This side we have like more utensils that we'll use. I think those ones will just be for deco because the white goes yellow when you cook with it and we don't want that. So these ones that are in here will be the ones that we use daily. And babe got a set of knives for himself. You guys saw the knives yesterday when we were packing, but they're out for display, so they'll just sit somewhere. And on this side we have my dear lovely cookbook, which will come out. I need to find a proper space for it, but for now it'll stay here. So I think this side will be like containers and like the plastic stuff will go this side. Then here will be pots, more pots. I still have these extra wooden spoons, which I need to find a proper space for as well. So yes, guys, fridge. It's just drinks for now. Drinks. That's it. We've got nothing else. So my idea is, so we're gonna look for a TV stand that will go there with the TV. I'll have our entry or hallway table here. I've done measurements, guys. We'll go here. I'm thinking of putting a pot plant there with a light fixture thing there. I've got this cute light that I saw that I love that I want to put there. So a pot plant, a big pot plant there, green pot plant. And yeah, I think that's it. Right, babe? Then we go now.
Yeah.
Let's go shower and we go shopping. Outside, I'm not even concerned about right now. I'll be concerned about outside once babe gets a grow for us. But I want to start with the inside, the living room, the basics. But outside looks big enough to get like a tiny dining table, don't you think?
Yeah.
It looks big enough to get like a outside eating dining table. That's what I'm thinking we'll get instead of having a dining table inside. Let's have it outside. What do you think?
Babe, it's too hot outside.
Every day, yeah, huh? We'll see. Anyways, guys, this is me just showing you guys what I did last night.
Babe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. We're probably not shopping. I'm not going to take you guys shopping. We'll show you what we bought, because when we're shopping, it's very stressful. You guys have seen, I say, I'm going to take you guys shopping with me. And when I'm in the store, I just get overwhelmed. So I'll show you guys what we get once we're back. So for now, choose!